In this video, we are going to see how we can create our lessons in PowerPoint. Then we are going to see how we will record our narrations, and then we will see how we can export or save our PowerPoint in the form of a video. First of all, I want to share experience that creating videos by PowerPoint is very simple and quick and easy. Once I had learned it creating, I had started loving it, because in this way I create lessons and I never missed any point from my lesson. I was sure that I have covered every point. So let's see how we can create the lessons and the videos using PowerPoint. The lesson will be in three parts. In first part, we will create a lesson in PowerPoint. Those who are not beginners already know it, will be knowing it very well how to create a lesson in PowerPoint. So let's start. Okay, to create a lesson in PowerPoint, first of all, I'm going to click on the PowerPoint and I'm going to take a blank presentation. The easiest way is to start working on the first slide and typing your title title of the lesson. For example, my lesson is about parts of flower. So I can go on adding my details, whatever I need. Next, I need to add a slide. I will go to the left side pane here. This is called the thumbnail pane, and I'm going to click on the first slide and press enter. This will add another slide. I can add as many slides as I want, and then I can click on that specific slide and start working on that and adding the details. For example, I want this one for petals and this one for sepals, and you get the idea. At any point, if I feel like that I needed this in another order, I needed this one first, I can just simply click and drag it up and reposition it. It's as simple as that. If I think I need an additional topic to be discussed in between them, I can just click in here and press enter. This will add another slide in between them. Let's say I want to add a diagram and I want it to be here. I will click and drag it here, and I'll select the text boxes, and first thing I want is to get rid of these text boxes. So I'm going to press delete and remove these text boxes. Next, I need to insert a picture here. I've got that picture in my desktop. I'm going to go to insert tab. I'm going to give you a closer view here. Insert tab. In the insert tab, you will find pictures. Here I will press pictures. I have got two options. I can take pictures from online, or I can get picture from my device. There's a good collection of pictures online. I do suggest that you should go and explore them. You can find a lot for your lessons. You don't need to prepare in advance. You can right away get from here. But right now I'm going to go to my device because I have got the diagram in my desktop. Here I'm going to press and just I have to select it, and it's there. So this is the simplest and easiest way to create a PowerPoint presentation. You can enhance its design as much as you want. You can insert shapes, you can insert borders, colors. It's up to you. You can change the fonts, the colors, the size. It's all up to you. But I'm going to here explain a simple and easy way to add some design to your presentation. Just go up to design tab. Here you will see a collection of designs, presentation layouts. You can explore from here. Just all you need is to whatever design you need, you just click on that and it's there. Even for each design, let me show you again here. In each design you can get some more variations also. You can choose the colors, you can choose the fonts, effects. As much as you want, you can enhance the design. This is the simplest and quickest way to enhance the design. I have chosen this design because I don't want the design should be interfering with the lesson. So this is the easiest and shortest way to create a nice looking presentation and explain your lesson in this form. Now we come to the part 2 of this lesson, where we have to see how we can record our narrations in the lesson we have just now created. Let's see. Now here we are going to explore how we can record our PowerPoint presentation. That means how you can record your narration in PowerPoint presentation, your audio. uh, you have to go up to this slideshow tab. I'll show you a closer view. There is a slideshow tab here. Click here. Then you have got here record slideshow button. If you click down, you can even choose from the current slide. For example, you're in the middle of the slide presentation, in any middle slides, so you can start recording your slides from here. Or if you want to start from the beginning, you can choose here. But right now I'm going to just simply click up here, and it will start the recording from the place I am right now, and I am right now on the first slide, or the title slide of my lesson. Before I start showing you how to record, I'm going to show you around in the window what are the settings, what are the options available here. First of all, right side, usually we don't use this. It's the settings of your microphone and camera. Usually these are the ones already you have. We don't need to bother with this. On the left side corner, upper left side corner, we have got some command buttons. They are very clear and obvious. You can press this one to start your recording. You can use this button to stop your recording, and you can replay and see your recording, see and listen your recording from here. Down here are some powerful tools. Right side down, you can see, if you just turn this option on, you can have a small window here that will be showing your video. Your webcam will be on, and your video will be recorded along with the presentation. But right now I have turned it off. You can always turn it on and try it yourself. Microphone, you can also mute it, but I don't understand any point of muting once we are recording the lesson, so let it be on. Here we have got a laser pointer. It's very helpful in focusing the attention of your students to the part of the lesson you want, and while narrating your lesson is very useful. Next come is the pen and the highlighter. So you can choose a number of colors for your pen, your highlighter. For example, I choose this thing, and you can always go and this can be done during narration and recording as well, so you can erase also. uh, let's start recording, and I'll show you how it goes. I'm going to take the pointer once again. I'm going to start recording here, and I'll show you how it goes. Once we start recording, it comes to like countdown, and now your recording started. Okay, welcome students. Our today's lesson is parts of, let's say I make an intentional mistake here, parts of plant. Oh, I have made a mistake. I can always stop and do re-record again, or else I have another option. I can go to clear and clear recording from the current slide. That will erase whatever I had recorded up till now. So I'm going to erase it because I had made a mistake. I can re-record it and then get ready. Today's lesson is parts of flower, lesson number 4. I can always go and pause my lesson if I want to think what next I have to say, maybe, or whatever the reason may be, and then you can record again, press record again to restart the recording from the place you had stopped. So I will start once again, and I'll show you how it goes. So come on students, you have to open chapter number 4, parts of flower. Then I'm going to stop it, and here this recording stops. I'll show you replay whatever I spoke in between these two, the pause, it is not recorded. Let me show you. Today's lesson is parts of flower, lesson number 4. I can always, so come on students, you have to open chapter number 4, parts of flower. Then I'm going to stop. So you get the idea. Next we can go with these navigation buttons, we can go forward and backward, and we can do recording here. If it's still recording, it will be recording whatever you are saying. But if you had stopped in the previous slide, like here I had stopped it, so I am going to start once again here. If I want to record here also, for example, I want to record here. Come on, let's have a closer view at common parts of flower. So you can highlight, you can circle, you can do whatever you want, for example. Okay, so this will all be recorded. Let me show you. Stop. Come on, let's have a closer view at common parts of flower. So you can highlight, you can circle, you can do whatever you want, for example. Okay, so this will all be recorded. Let me show you. I think you get the idea now. Once you stop it, you can always cross it and you come back. right now it is recorded. How it will be shown, you will come here and I'll show you a closer view again here. You come down here and you see a small icon, presentation slideshow, okay, or else you have got an up here option, slideshow from the beginning or slideshow from the current slide. The easiest and the shortest way I'm using here is this one. But before I go there, I'll show you one more thing. Once your narration is recorded, you see this icon here, and even you can, if you hover over it, you will come to see how long is it. It's 11 seconds, okay. And the next slide, again you have got this icon. In third slides you won't see this because we didn't do any recording in the third slide. In the second slide I can see this icon, that means my narration is recorded. Let me show you how it works. Again I'm going to show you the close-up. Down here on the status bar you will see this slideshow. Just click it. Today's lesson is parts of flower, lesson number 4. I can always, so come on students, you have to open chapter number 4, parts of flower. Then I'm going to come on, let's have a closer view at common parts of flower. So you can highlight, you can circle, you can do whatever you want, for example, okay. So this will all be recorded. Let me show you. Now if I press escape to come back to the normal view back here. So this is how you can record your narrations, and at the time of lesson you can always start your PowerPoint presentation and just press this. It will go on narrating when you want to deliver your lesson. This is how we record the narration on PowerPoint slides. Finally, we are in part 3, and we have already created our lesson in PowerPoint, and we have learned how to record our narrations and everything, annotations also on the screen. Now we will see how we can save or export it in the form of a video. In this video, we are going to see how we can save our PowerPoint presentation in which we have already recorded our narration. So for this, we have to, all we need to do, I'm going to just remove these slides in which I don't have any narrations. So what I'm going to do is just, I'm having a narration in these two, and I'll make sure I have got narrations. Just I can take the option from here, export to video, or if you don't see your option here, you can always go to file. I'll go show you a closer view. Go to file and come down here, and there is an option export. You click here and you get an option here, create a video. Just click it and press create video. We have got some options here. You can have in higher standard or HD standard, whatever do you want. Generally by default, whatever it is, we are not touching it. Just click on create video and it'll start. It will ask you the destination where it has to save. Let's say I have to save it on my desktop. I'll save the press it. Now it has started recording, converting it to a video. Let me show you a closer view here. You can see down in status bar, this progress bar is coming. You are not supposed to close your presentation until this exporting is completed. Once it's completed, I'll show you how it is appearing. It automatically turns your all narration, everything you recorded into a video. Now you can, it is an MP4 format. You can always use it as a video. Here is parts of flower. Let me show you, it's a video. Here it is. Today's lesson is parts of flower, lesson number 4. I can always, so come on students, you have to open chapter number 4, parts of flower. Then I'm going to, come on, let's have a closer view at common parts of flower. So you can highlight, you can from here, circle. This is a video. You get the idea that this is how you can save your PowerPoint presentation in the form of a video.